In this video, we're unlocking global potentials by integrating a UAE phone number with Vapi Ai for personalized client interactions. First, navigate to the Vapi Ai dashboard and locate the number integration panel here. We initiate the connection process. Second, click the Add Number button to begin adding a new phone number. Third, select the United Arab Emirates as your country. Verify that you've selected the correct country code, as this dictates number formatting. Fourth, precisely enter the complete UAE phone number for connection. Double-check the accuracy. A single mistake can disrupt this connection, then confirm the number. Fifth, Vapi Ai will begin verification, which usually involves a verification code sent to the UAE phone number. Sixth, enter the received verification code into the designated field within the Vapi Ai interface, then submit the code. Seventh, if the code is valid, congratulations! Your UAE phone number is now connected to Vapi Ai, enabling custom support and worldwide reach.